Before removing the drain plug, it might be easier to clean it out first. Make sure the surface is clean. Before I put these bolts back in, I'm going to run them through a die. This is a fill plug. The hex is damaged, and so is the gasket. See how that is walled out? So I purchased a new plug that comes with the gasket. It's a different style, which makes me wonder if that's an original. Now I'm going to use a pump to fill the differential. When pumping this, have the plug ready, so when it starts coming out that hole, we can put the plug in. See how it's coming out? We can double check by sticking a finger in there. Yeah, that's good, right? I took a little bit of time to pump this oil into the differential. The hose diameter is 1/4 inch. We can get a larger hose in that fill plug because it's 20 millimeters or around 5/8. So my point is, if they could make a pump with a larger diameter hose, it'd take much less time.